Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by treating this like any in-game craft. Prioritize the blueprint or a physical blow dart to research. Once you've looted barrels and monuments and found the blueprint or item, take it to a research table or workbench. Make sure you've already gathered core materials, wood, cloth, metal fragments, and low-grade fuel because you'll need them right away. If you don't have the blueprint, research the found dart at the research table to unlock the recipe before moving on. Once the blueprint is unlocked, focus on efficient resource conversion and bench time. Farm nodes and containers for metal fragments and cloth. Use a furnace or recycler if you need to convert ore into fragments. Make sure the required workbench tier is available. Place or access a T1 plus bench as needed. Craft intermediate components first, then the blow dart itself, batching recipes where possible to save time and resources. Keep spare low-grade fuel to avoid pauses. Finish by crafting the blow dart at the correct bench and test it in a safe area to learn handling and aiming. If something goes wrong, double-check that the blueprint is unlocked, you have exact material counts, and the workbench tier matches the recipe. If materials are missing or blueprints aren't dropping, recycle unwanted loot or trade with players. Once you secure the missing parts, retry crafting. Remember, persistence and smart resource management speed up completion.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.